In front of me is HONOR X7b, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access accessibility features. Then click on one-handed mode and tap on gray switcher at the bottom to activate it. Now you need to follow all of those instructions from your screen. If you are using gestures, slide your finger across the button of the screen and hold. If you are using Tricks navigation, slide your finger as well, just don't hold it. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you want to go back, click on this dark area. To change placement of your screen, just swipe in the opposite direction. Then go back the same way. Lastly, to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!